Hey guys, I hope you all fine. So today's video about Picart triangle effect editing effect trick. It will be very interested, so stay here guys. But before we start the video, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and click on bell icon kindly. So let's start the video. First of all, open Picart app. So friends, click on add photo here and select picture from gallery. Now friends, select eraser. After that, click here. Now click on this. And friends, now click on effects, and select on colors, and then change the background color. So friends, now click on here. So friends, click on add photo here and select picture from gallery. Now select blend and click on screen to remove background of this picture. Now friends, select eraser. Now click on this. And friends, last thing I wanna tell you that if you want to save HD photo, so click on draw, and when you click on draw, so here you have 3 dots, then click on 3 dots and here is option for save photo. So friends, if you save photo from here, then the photo will save with high quality and then you can check difference. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you in next video.